So this is the first activity as part of this tutorial. Think of this as like a pop quiz. I think there's no better way to learn to illustrate or learn a particular program than to actually use it. So this is optional. You can keep going on with the videos if you think you completely understand this or if you want to dig into some of the deeper features. But if you want to practice a little bit, this is a great opportunity to do so. So in this activity, we're going to be looking deeper into brushes, and I want you to experiment on your own. Let me pop over to my brushes really quick. If I open this up, there are a lot of options to choose from. So what I want you to do is I want you to go through these brushes and I want you to experiment a little bit. I want you to take a look at what is here, just play with them and see what each one does and see what kind of textures and things like that you can find when you're just kind of poking around Procreate. I want you to use different brushes when we're doing this activity. So start with that. That should be your starting point for what you do next. So what we did in this last exercise is we drew a circle and we added shading to it. So what I want you to do for this activity is I want you to replicate that circle. I want you to do the same thing again, where you draw an outline and then you color it in. But I want to change it up a little bit. I want you to change two things. I want you to draw this circle twice. On the first one, I want you to choose another color. So instead of making it black like I did the first one, choose another color, yellow, blue, orange, whatever you want. And then I want you to practice using some of these other brushes. So for the first one, I want you to use one color and one kind of brush. And for the second one, I want you to use another color and experiment with another kind of brush. I just want you to get a feel for what other brushes are out there. I've also done some sample ones here so you can see which brush combinations I used and where if you kind of want to get a feel for that. So have fun and get drawing.